Celebration. That's the question that everyone gets hit with. What's the right way to celebrate? The wrong way to celebrate? The appropriate time to celebrate? The times to pull back? It's a tough one, and it's a slippery slope that you get into. But when you're in the middle of playing a game, all right, you make a nice tackle, whether it's in the open field or you sack a quarterback or whatever. There's nothing wrong with an honest burst of enthusiasm and just throw your hands up and celebrate, but at all costs, not at all costs, but one of the things that really helps, find a teammate to celebrate with, so it's not just you standing alone out in the middle of the field saying, look at me. You celebrate with the teammate because the teammates probably helped you get there to make the play anyway. There's nothing wrong with that. When you get into the end zone and you score and you do your little dance and your little jig, nothing wrong with that. And by the way, officials, get out of the picture, okay? They know the rules now. Everyone knows if you do too much, excessive, you're going to drop a flag. I'm tired of this preventive officiating where you get into the picture when the kid scored the touchdown. You didn't do it. Get out of the way. If he goes too far, go ahead and drop the flag. Otherwise, I don't want to see you because you don't need to be there. I'm tired of this, all right? You guys are getting too involved in something you don't need to get involved with, and you're dropping flags at the wrong time, and you're affecting games, and you're affecting outcomes. Figure it out and get it done soon because you're messing the whole thing up. Now, back to trying to be calm again on this whole deal. The other part, too, is know the score. Know the situation. You're down 4 touchdowns and you're out there celebrating. Not the time. Make the play, get back in the huddle, play again. Live and fight another day. But of all things, if you're going to celebrate, do it with teammates because, let's face it, you play once a week. It's pent up. It's built up. And it's not easily done, whether it's making a big tackle in open field, juking a guy and going. These are not easy things to do. You want to celebrate it a little, but make sure it's honest, enthusiastic celebration. Forget the choreographed stuff. You don't need the dances and the conga lines. Just do it like you've done it before. Enjoy it, but do it with teammates.